Here's how to apply for a Target Circle offer. First, launch open any web browser and head over to target.com or open the Target app. Log into your account. Now you want to look for the Target Circle option. Tap on that. In this section, find the circle option and tap on join for free if you haven't done that already. Now enter your date of birth, then tap on join for free. Once you have joined, you will find available deals, offers, and promotions that can save to your account. Here, browse the available offers and tap on any offer you'd like to use. Then tap on Save Offer or Add to Target Circle. The offer will be linked to your account automatically. After saving the offer, shop for qualifying items either in the app, website, or in-store. Make sure the products you purchase meet the requirement listed the offer. Now, when you're ready to check out, use your Target account or scan your Target Circle barcode in the app. Any eligible saved offers will be applied automatically if your purchase qualifies. You can also review your saved offers in the Target Circle section before completing your purchase to make sure they're active. And that's how you can apply a Target Circle offer. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.